Hey guys, welcome back to A's Artsy Alcove. Today we'll be making a slime video. I got 2 gallons of glue, so we're good. I just want to show you some of my slimes that I've made so far. So yeah, this is one. It's just a little bit that I do have left from the slime that I made. The color, if you can see it. It's like a mustard color, bit darker, honestly, but yeah. So we're just gonna put that back in there. And honestly, I use these containers that I got from the grocery store to store these in. They are amazing because they're so small, so cheap. So yeah, and you have 50 in them. So Another one that I'm going to show you, this was supposed to turn out like salsa, but it turned out way too pink. Now it just looks like I made it for Valentine's Day, which turns out good. So, yeah. So there's that color. Hang on, let me get it stuck off my fingers. Get it off my fingers first. My cheeks. Sorry. There you go. There's that color. It's a pink color. Okay, so that one kind of dyes your hand and it gets stuck all over it. But so these are the little containers that I'm holding them in. And I have one more to show you. Yes, this was out of my ketchup one, which did not turn out like ketchup. It is definitely more pink. So, it looks like that medicine that you take if you're sick. So, yeah. That one kind of sticks to your hands too, but they all get sticky. This is my favorite one. This is all slime. So, really cool, really big. But this is a light baby blue, I would say. And I do have more slimes, but I'm not going to show them all, okay? So let's get right onto this video. Oh, and FYI, I would just like to give a shout out to the person that wanted me to make this video. Hi, Mackenzie, and also hi to the rest of my friends. Reese, which also I gave her my guacamole slime. And then also to my other friends, Addie, Ava, Sophia, Taylor, and Mary, which I'm actually going to make slime for them today, or tonight. Okay, so I'm just using this. It's a bit dirty because I've made slime in it before, but what you'll need is glue, Elmer's glue, this 1 gallon of it. We're just going to set that over there. Paint is definitely optional. There that is. And then glitter. Glitter. So, yeah. You'll also need laundry detergent, body wash, and body lotion. So you will need these just to make it a bit like, for it doesn't smell, if it smells bad. And you'll also need shaving cream. Sorry if it's a little dirty, I got some slime on it too. My Nutella slime. First, what you want to do is get the glue and pour in however much you want to make the slime. I'm making this much slime. So, yeah. You can make whatever much and however much. And also remember that some of it will get bigger because of how much stuff you make in it. So, yeah. First, I'm just gonna add my color in actually. Oh, so sorry. You'll also need skewers or something to mix with. So what I like to do first is, here it is. I pour that in. Don't pour a lot to start with. And this definitely gives me some of my color because it is blue. So, yeah. Sorry for the voice crack. I'm just a bit sick. Okay, so there that is. It's not really coming together because I definitely didn't add enough, but it's fine. And then I'm going to add my blue or azul. Just going to add a bit of that in. That should make the blue that I want. Just going to stir it in. So it's turning out to be that color. Boy. Sometimes the paint does actually help with the consistency, but now I'm just gonna add in some shaving cream. Put about in the size of your 3 fingers and hold that out, and just about the size of it. Depends on how much the slime is. For this much, you'll probably need about 3 fingers, and it just gets smaller and smaller, or you can use smaller fingers. Sounds weird. I'm sorry. Anyways, there that is. The consistency is getting more like a slime, but it still definitely isn't coming together. Then add your body wash. This is just a really light one. Don't make it like a thick body wash, or the slime turns out like flubber. So, and then add just 1 thing of lotion, or less or more, just in case. Lotion actually helps it slime stretch more. So, once you get it to where the slime comes together, definitely, if it's not stretchy enough, just add some more lotion, a little bit at a time. Okay, there that is. My blue is definitely not there, but we're going to try to make it a really light blue. So, then add this. I added a lot that time. I don't want to take a lot of your time. Okie dokie. So it's definitely coming together, as you can see. I love using a wood because you can also, I love using a wood stick because once it starts coming together, it sticks to the skewer, and then you sort of like start to know, okay, well, it's definitely coming together, because sometimes it doesn't look like it's coming together. So I just touched mine. Just a bit came out. That's just the laundry detergent. I just mix this really well because sometimes there can be bubbles, like tiny air bubbles, and glue can be in them, and then the glue ends up popping out when you play with it. That's happened to me before. Okay. It's definitely coming together here. We're just going to add a bit more just for safety. That should be good. Almost out. So that sucks. Oh, and I'm so sorry for the bad lighting, bad background. My sister was my camera person, but now she doesn't really want to do it now that she's older and is in 8th grade. So sorry you went from a good one to a bad one. Oops. Okay, here's the slime, pouring it out. And if it's just sticky inside, just try to gather that up with the slime that's on the stick or mixing utility. There we go. Uh-oh. There that goes. And just take it off the stirring utensil. You might end up be using the stirring utensil again. But yeah. So this definitely is turning into a slime. But I just need a bit more activator. So activator is actually the laundry detergent. You can use whatever you want, whatever resources you have, really. I'm just gonna get my activator. That was the thing that fell on the floor. So as you can see, this is what is on it. Just gonna spread it all around and start kneading it, or not necessarily even kneading it, just picking it up, putting it down, picking it up, putting it down. It just really helps with it because then you can just see what it is. So this is mine. Let's see it fall. Oh no, I don't know if it's gonna fall. There it goes. Okay, so it's definitely stuck on my hands. So, yeah. I'm gonna just try to pick up all of that extra detergent or activator that you're using, for it really just mixes in there really well. Okay. Bad. Oh no. Oh no. It's better. You know, now I can't get it off my thumb. There it goes. Sorry. Okay, so I'm mixing this, as you can see. And I'm just really I just like going like this, and I think it helps. But whatever you think helps with your slimes, you know, go right ahead. My friend Mackenzie, she actually said that I should buy a kit from, I forgot where it was from, I don't know. But apparently it has a slime starter kit in it, like 20 squishies and like 30 slimes for $30. And I honestly am not gonna do that because squishies I don't really play with. I play with slime more often than squishies. I know squishies are the new thing, but I still love slime. So, yeah. So mine's kind of coming together. I can now pick it up without it completely sticking. Nope, that was wrong. Never mind. But to get it off your hands, you can just go like this really quickly. And if you can't do that, then you definitely need more activator, which I'm gonna add some more activator in just a sec because it does need some. But I just try to get all of that slime in there. And I'm not one of those people that grabs it with their whole hands until I know that it's a good slime and that I can actually do this. So this video is running on to 13 minutes. So I'm going to try to close it up here, but I don't know. Okay. I'm just so sorry again for the bad video. I haven't done one since last year, actually. Happy New Year. Oh, and don't forget, we are having a giveaway. The first 5 subscribers get in a giveaway and get slime, slime supplies to make slime, and also you get some more crafts, DIYs, just essentials to make stuff. And if you do win, it is random. I don't just look at the comments, people saying, oh, you're better, oh, you know, like, you're better than this person. But yeah, I only have 2 subscribers, so therefore we need 3 more subscribers, and hopefully my friends will subscribe, which I cannot get this off my hands. So it's definitely becoming less sticky. as you can see, I can build it up, I'm just using that as, I can pick it up. So now I'm taking the skewer and just making sure everything's off of it. I try not to waste a lot because some of the stuff is really expensive actually. So now I'm just going to add some glitter. Here we go. I'm just going to add this really fine glitter. I mean, it's really fine. There it is. So I'm just going to... I've actually made my sister some slimes, a lot of slimes, and they've mostly been food or drinks or something like that. I've made her Coca-Cola Crush, or Fanta Orange, ice, which is just one of those drinks in a tall glass, in a tall water bottle. Made her that, and lemonade, ketchup, mustard, all kinds of stuff like that. So as you can see, I love making slime. Okay, so here this is. It's definitely coming together. If over the time it does get a bit sticky if you don't play with it for a while, or it just gets super warm. Warmness makes it stick to your hand, so don't think that's a bad slime just because your hands are really warm. Okay, so as you can see, you can just tweak it every now and then if you really want to. And you can also add clay to it, whatever you want. The things that you can add to it for color is food dye. And if you do use food dye, be very careful because I kind of sting my desk a bit. So, but yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching today. Again, please subscribe and you will get in a giveaway as soon as we hit 5 subscribers. Please subscribe, hit that notification button for you can know every time I upload a video, which I promise I will try to do more. I just been super busy, what with school now, and my brother came home for a surprise, so yeah. So please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell and turn it on for you to know every time I post videos or something like that. Please hit the like button and also leave a comment and tell me what kind of slime, what color, or what video I should do next. My friend Mackenzie also said that I should do a slime series, so tell me if you want that. I would be happy to do that. I have plenty of glue. I will actually show you. I have this, which is not even halfway gone. I have this white glue and this clear glue. So this clear glue is to right here. So yeah, I would love to do a slime series, FYI. So, just give me ideas for videos and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Thursday, and tomorrow's Friday, so don't get down. I mean, tomorrow's Friday. You're probably going to get out of school, and then it's the weekend. So I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's Eve. I hope you guys have an amazing new year of 2018. My New Year's resolution is make more YouTube videos and slime. So, thank you guys so much for watching again. Bye!